Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Polymarket faces a potential insider trading crisis. New research from the Anti-Corruption Data Collective reveals troubling patterns across military and defense outcome bets, suggesting widespread information advantages for select traders. After analyzing over 435,000 Polymarket contracts worth $54 billion in volume, researchers found that military and defense longshot bets succeed at rates exceeding 50%, compared to just 14% for typical political market longshots. The June 2025 Iran strikes case study is particularly damning. 19 longshot bets totaling $164,000 were placed hours before the Pentagon announced a covert operation. 8 wallets captured $1.8 million in profits, with one wallet alone securing nearly $500,000. In response, Polymarket partnered with Chainalysis to deploy institutional-level market surveillance tools. The platform also faces Senate scrutiny after unanimously passing a resolution banning senators and staff from prediction market participation following the arrest of Army Master Sergeant Gannon Ken Van Dyke, who allegedly used classified intelligence to win over $400,000. North Korean state-backed hackers now account for 76% of all cryptocurrency hack losses in 2026, according to TRM Labs. The two main groups have stolen nearly $600 million this year alone, bringing their total haul since 2017 to over $6 billion. The $285 million Drift Protocol breach and $292 million Kelp DAO exploit both involved unprecedented tactics. The Drift attack featured months-long in-person social engineering, with North Korean proxies meeting directly with protocol employees before executing 31 withdrawals in 12 minutes. Bitcoin is trading at $77,244, struggling to break through the $80,000 resistance zone. Institutional demand remains strong, with spot Bitcoin ETFs recording $1.9 billion in net inflows during April. However, warning signs are emerging. Crypto quant analysts note that April's rally was built entirely on perpetual futures demand, while spot buying activity remained negative. The firm's Bull Score Index fell from 50 to 40 during April, signaling continued downside risk. On-chain data shows retail Bitcoin activity has fallen to its lowest levels since January 2025, while institutional players including Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, and Deutsche Börse are increasing crypto exposure, creating a stark divergence between retail fatigue and institutional confidence. Gemini secured CFTC approval for a derivatives clearing organization license, positioning the exchange to compete directly with Kalshi and Polymarket in prediction markets. Gemini shares jumped 7% on the news. At XRP Las Vegas 2026, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse stated, "Nobody wants XRP to win more than we do." XRP is currently trading at $1.37. The conference coincided with Ripple's new Dubai headquarters and regulatory approval for RLUSD in Dubai. Senator Tom Tillis committed to pushing for Clarity Act markup on May 11th when the Senate returns from recess, representing the clearest public commitment yet on timing. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.